Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the sachet dose and expiry. This prevents under- or overdosing. Pour 200-250 ml water at room temperature. Warmer speeds dissolution, but avoid hot water that degrades vitamin C. Once done, open the sachet and tilt its content into the glass. Swirl gently with a clean spoon for 10-15 seconds so particles wet evenly. Make sure to note the serving size and intended timing. Proper prep ensures predictable absorption and taste. You continue by dissolving fully. After the initial swirl, let the solution rest for 30-60 seconds so fines dissolve into the liquid. If you detect grit, stir another 10 seconds. If taste is too sharp, add 1-2 teaspoons sweetener or 15-30 ml juice to improve palatability without altering dose. Once adjusted, stir again and drink within 15-30 minutes to avoid oxidation. This timing preserves potency and ensures you get the intended effect. You finish by inspecting the glass. If residue clings, rinse and sip remaining liquid to capture dose. Store any unused sachets dry and out of light to maintain stability. If you see undissolved grit, remake with slightly warmer water, around 30-40 degrees C, and stir longer. This resolves most solubility issues. If you experience stomach upset or irritation, stop using the product and consult your healthcare provider. That simple troubleshooting keeps your routine safe and effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.